Today on Oklahoma Off-Grid, we are going to install a septic system on our little off-grid house here. That's a pretty nice hole you dug there, babe. This is the quickest way to do a small off-the-grid gray water septic system. That's the angle that it's going to go in. Okay, well, that's what you want. Everything's going underground now. Okay, so this is going to be a gray water septic system. It's going to be very small. It's just for the kitchen sink that comes right here over the window, comes out at the bottom of the house here. So what we're going to do is dig out a hole here and run the pipe into our septic tank here. This is going to be our septic tank that goes underground, and I'll show you how it's all done here in a minute. Okay, so I wanted to show you one that I did for the shower already. So under the ground here is this gray water septic for the shower. We don't have a black water septic out here because we have compost toilet. So everything that comes out of the house is just gray water, just from like showers and you know, dishes, things like that. So we have one coming out of the shower right here. The pipe runs underground here. It goes into the tote here. So I'm going to show you how we built that. So we'll have a septic here, and we'll have a septic right here. Okay, right here where this pipe is where we're going to take off the skirting on the bottom of the house, and that's where the pipe comes through. And then we're going to start digging the hole out here where we can put the tank down into the hole. Okay, it poured rain this morning, so what we're going to do is put some cardboard down here so we don't get completely muddy. Okay, going under the house here. There is the pipe that comes through the floor from the kitchen sink. Unfortunately, it fell off, so I've got to put it on this time, and this time I'm going to glue it. But that's the pipe that's going to run down, and then it's going to run into the septic out here. So we've got to get that pipe hooked up, and in order to do that, we got to go on the inside and open it up under the cabinet where we can get this pipe hooked to it. Okay, we got the pipe attached back through the floor here. I had to peel the foam and everything out and take off the cover and everything that I had built for it. But we've got the pipe attached back to it, so that's good now. And now we're going to start digging out the hole for the actual tub to go down to build this septic. So far, here's where we're at. So it's time to start digging the hole. And this is where we're going to dig. Keep digging.
I'm done.
We're just using the shale as gravel. Okay, we're going to take our gravel, or well, shale rock, what we're calling gravel, and we're going to put it on the inside of where this is going to set. So we're trying not to get any of the gravel on the outside of the line that it made when we stuck it down in there. Okay, So I hope you guys kind of get the idea now what I'm talking about. That's the angle that it's going to go in. So now we just need to cut a hole in the side of the tub and put the pipe in it. Okay, there it is. That's how we're going to do it. So you kind of get the idea now. The water's going to run in there. It's going to kind of filter through the rock. It's going to keep anything that's big, like grease and food and stuff like that, from actually clogging the dirt, where the dirt won't be able to take on the water and disperse the water. And then, you know, microbes, ants, whatever's underground will eat the food and everything that's, you know, inside the chamber here. So now we're just going to take this dirt here, and we're going to put a little bit of shale rock around the edges here, but we're going to take this dirt and then cover all that back up and kind of make a slope here where water doesn't, you know, just want to drain down in here. When it rains, we want the water to run off of this, you know, where we don't have filling this up just from rainwater. So. Okay. Well, you get to use it for the first time. Everything's going underground now. This is the quickest way to do a small, off-the-grid, graywater septic system. It works really good, and if you don't have to worry about any inspectors coming out or anything like that in an area like I'm at, then this would work good for you. Okay, well, we got our kitchen sink septic done. We're going to finish up some of the details and go ahead and put the skirting back on. So if you like this video, I would sure appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But for now, I got to go. The wife is waiting on me because she wants to go eat lunch.